Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut or how to add a shortcut on iPhone. So it's very simple. You just have to go to the shortcut app to create your own shortcut. So now tap on the plus button. From here on the search bar, type text, and now I'm going to say hi, and then from the search bar type send message. Now tap done and tap on the three dot on your shortcut, and now pick a icon and color it, and pick a symbol to it. I'm going to pick a text symbol. Where is that? Okay, so I'm going to pick this one, and now tap done. If you tap, then your shortcut is created. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.